So here I'm going to show you how to record some stuff or anything you are making directly on your desktop. So I'm just going directly to my web, which is Google Chrome, and you can see my desktop is here, and I'm using Windows 10 right now, which is the Pro version, and this is my recording bar through which I can make my settings more usable to me. And so the application I'm going to show you is still I'm using with. So I'm going to let's see this. Just go to the Google Chrome and type a PowerSoft screen recorder, and you got the right way. So the first link is the official link. You have to click on this, and you will be directed to the application's main web page, and here you can find two options, which is download the app and start recording online. So just don't record online, you have to just download the app. Okay, now just click on the download application. So here I'm not clicking on the download because I have already, and I'm still recording this video, this tutorial, to make you understand with this application only. So here I have downloaded this, and you can see there is a folder named a PowerSoft. Here I'm clicking this folder and I'll see the application here, and I'm just clicking on the application, which is a PowerSoft screen recorder, and you will see the boot time of this application will depends upon your RAM. Okay, so I'm just opening. So here it is open, and you can double click and you can right click to see your record. So here you can stop, show toolbar, language which you are comfortable with, and this was this stuff which I have to make you understand. Okay, so let's finish this.